Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing beautiful house. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. A drawing of house is a visual representative of a building, typically drawn on paper or on a computer. It can be used to convey information about the house size, shape, style, and features. House drawing can be used for a variety of purposes. Many people may also draw houses for personal enjoyment or as a way of visual their dream house. House drawing can be created in a variety of styles, ranging from simple sketches to detailed renderings. The style of the drawing will often depend on the purpose for which it is being created. How to draw a beautiful house? Start by drawing a light outline of the house basic shape. This could be a rectangular squares or an other geometrical shape. Add details to the house such as windows, doors, as a roof. Draw the house in perspective to make it look more realistic. Add shading and color to the draw. A house is a place to grow and learn, to make memories that will last a lifetime. A house is a place to belong, to feel safe and secure. A house is a place to dream, a place to make your hopes and dreams come true. A house is more than just a building, it's a place where life, happiness, a house is a home. I hope you like house drawing. Thank you so much for watching my video.